All right, guys. Today we're going to do a video on repairing this ECM. This is from a 2005 or 2006 Ford Focus, and it's the 3.0 V6. And these are pretty notorious for this happening. Sometimes you got a bad coil, and it'll cause this. So these are the actual drivers right here for that coil. And as you can see, that one right there is toast, boys. So it's eaten up right there. And look at this. Look at how high this thing protruded, both of these. So we're going to replace both of these resistors, and we're going to replace this transistor here.
There's just another angle so you can see how high these things protruded, you know? It's like a waterfall, man, a plastic waterfall. Anyway, so what we're going to do, there's some solder balls here. It looks like the customer tried to repair it themselves possibly. So we're going to remove them solder balls so they won't make any problems and remove these components, clean up, put some fresh solder and solder everything up, clean up, and that's it. By the way, guys, we got the tools back in stock, the ultrafine tweezers on our website, globalcommerceca.com. Definitely check it out. We got a lot of that stuff, anything you need.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Right, guys, that's it on this repair. It's probably not the prettiest ones. There's a lot of really good professionals here on YouTube, but this will definitely get the job done, and I'm going to go ahead and test it. But that's going to be it on this video, man. Just a quick video on repairing these modules. Like I said, these are a very common fault with these 05 to 06, the V6 models, 3.0 liters. Yeah, so yeah, click that thumbs up button, like and subscribe. If you guys like this type of content, let me know. Maybe I'll post some more stuff like this. And like I always say on this channel, if you didn't know this, now you know. And knowing is half the battle, boys. See you on the next one. By the way, here is the processor on this board and EEPROM. So you can see that it's an ST95040.